Okay. Were you just going to take off with it? They're kind of snorting the nip.
You're going to get them all high on catnip, and then what do we do?
I don't know. We'll see. Mom, what do you think of this? Hi, honey. Oh, are you begging for food?
I'll give him a cracker.
And now I've got many to deal with. Missing.
Scrappy's coming up over here on this other side. He's over here. Hey, buddy. Come on up here.
Go, honey. I'm sorry.
Come on up here.
What a good girl.
Come up here.
He doesn't have any food.
Give me a cracker. I'll give him a cracker. You want this? Come here, Scrap.
Their jeans are good for climbing. Oh.
Attaboy. That was him.
You need more. You need more, you little sweetie. Oh, don't just squirt.